Yeah, yeah, that's fine now. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, yeah,
He enjoy it, man.
nice one,
He let a little bit of his body water on his body. Sige, you cannot hold on to that, baby. You can't hold on to that. Wow, shower the baby boy, is it? Ah, showering boy boy. Wow. Nice, he will love it because it's too hot and then it's,
Yeah, the water is not so cold.
yeah. No, and then it's very warm today.
Yeah,
Nice. Wow, the boy is so. Actually, you should take a plate, so that you'll see how he swim. He will swim. Let him go on his own. He will go.
Okay.
But still, you still have to put your hands so that he won't get scared.
Yeah, fine, yeah.
But last time, that's how I shower him. I put the plate and he swim. Good boy. I like that sound of the water actually. See?
Oh, you're
Go
finished?
and swim.
You finished?
Swimming time, boy.
Oh, you finished?